Hello, my name is Mark, and I am about to do an unpackaging of the first time for the new TAG Heuer connected Mark III watch. This is the first time I've done an unpacking video, so please bear with me. This became available for sale on Thursday, yesterday. I ordered it around 8:30 in the morning, and it is now about 2:30 on Friday, the next day. So I received it with free shipping about just over 24 hours later. And I've got my daughter holding the phone for me right now, so I'm gonna take that back from her and show you what I see as I unpack the box. So, okay, can you hold this for a second for me, baby? Thank you, right about there. I'm gonna get this end of the box, okay? They don't do a very good job telling you what you can cut and what you can't cut, so they must not mind too much that you damage anything on the inside. It looks like, and I've already ruined this, I think, but it looks like, okay, it comes with tape already applied to the inside box, the inner box, in case you need to return it, which I hopefully don't have to do. All right, this is a large box, and I'm sorry, Kate, I'm gonna have you hold it some more. So do your best job to hold it on the box here. And if you need to back up to get the whole thing, that's fine. There we go. Oh, look at that! I'm quite excited about this. I own several TAG Heuer watches, but this is my first of the connected, thank you. This is my first of the connected models, the smartwatch versions. So this watch comes in several different model types, and you can put it on the box, okay? And for the lowest price of those is the ones with the black rubber band, and those start at $1,800 US. And then the one I got was the metal band. Can you see this, Kate? Okay. Mm-hmm. The one I got was the metal band, and the reason I did that is you can buy the bands additional, but if you start with the base model, the $1,800 model, and then have to buy the metal band to go with it, that's an additional almost $500 to get the metal band. But if you buy the metal band as part of the initial product you purchase, that starts at almost $1,950, I think it was, US, and then the rubber bands are about $100 more, and they come in a variety of colors, red, orange, that kind of thing. So they're only about $100 more. So I felt it made more sense to spend $150 more now on the metal band than to want to upgrade later and spend almost $500 more. So here's our, you see this? This is our little warranty information, I'm guessing. There's some instructions for return. Here's our receipt. So nobody cares about any of that, so I'll leave all that in there. What do we have here? I'm not sure if I'm guessing this little extra empty space here is if I bought the additional band or bands at the same time as I bought this, that those would come in this box here. But as you can see, very nice, very posh packaging, very much like Apple. Of course, it's all black instead of white though. Sturdy construction, very nicely done. You're definitely getting some high quality packaging when you purchase a watch that's expensive. There's a little container for the box itself. I don't think anything could happen to this product in shipping. It's just so well packaged and insulated. All right, here's the actual watch box itself. It has a little metal sleeve, I'm sorry, a little cardboard sleeve. I'm going to take that out. Pop that over there. All right, are we ready? Can you see that okay, Kate? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna open the box. First time. I'm excited. Oh, dang it! It's like one of those Russian nesting eggs. There's shells within shells. So here's some instructions. There, another box of instructions. So this is the quick start guide. A little slightly thicker booklet for instructions and guarantee. This is all in English, obviously, they know. And there she is. Look at that. You said okay? Mm-hmm. So I'm going to take it out, I think. Well, I'm planning on taking it out. There we go. Quite heavy, substantial as you'd expect from a TAG watch. I mean, that has some heft to it. It has a wraparound plastic cover for the watch itself. There's the thickness. And then it has, looks like a black plastic lining cover for the band itself. Put that there for a second. In here we have, can you see down inside the box here, Kate? I can do like this too.
Thank you.
We have a little box, I'm guessing is the charging mechanism. All right, there's the USB cable. I believe it's USB 2 or 3. And then there's the charger. Plug into that. I'm hoping this is the, I'm bending the cardboard to get this out. This is the, nope, a little cleaning, that's all there is in there. Yep, a little cleaning cloth. I was hoping or expecting to see some sort of charging cradle to go with this. Right now, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to charge this. I'll have to look at the manual to figure that part out. Unless it's this right here. Oh, hang on. This has a tiny bit of weight to it. More so than just more paper. Excuse me. There we go. Yeah, this is it. All right, so my my hopes, my fears have been allayed. So there's the little dock, charging dock. And I'm guessing this plugs right into there. And then obviously it plugs into the wall. And that's the way you charge it. So leave this right over there. Pop this over here. There's my, the band, I don't know what you call that. Nest perhaps? Cradle, something like that. So let's take this off. Or let's actually just press the central button here. Nothing's coming on, so it must be completely dead. These days you find most electronic devices actually come with some kind of residual charge, and you're able to turn it on right away to set it up. This appears not to be doing that. So I'm going to, I would normally take more time to unwrap this. Excuse the noise in the background. That's my pain in the ass golden retriever asking to go outside. Yeah, Kate's shaking her head because she is a huge idiot. Not you, the dog. No commentary from the camera crew, please. All right, so they got a little bit more plastic on there. So, anyways, I was saying I normally take a little more time to unwrap this and relish the pleasure of doing something like that with such an expensive item. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead, forge ahead here with because we have an audience, or hopefully an audience to this. So there is there's the clasp right there. Again, very solid feeling. I mean, this is for sure going to be the most expensive watch the most heaviest watch I've ever had to have on my wrist. I'll take my old Apple Watch off. Goodbye, Apple. Hello, Google OS. Now I have, you may have noticed already, I have slight bird wrists. I was going to say girly wrists, but that's not appropriate in today's day and age, so I won't say that. But the strap itself comes pretty thick, so I'm going to have to adjust that. I'll definitely do that off camera. And again, the buttons don't seem to do anything, so I'll put that into the charger. And if anybody has any interest in all, I can go through a second version of this video after it's charged and show you some of the cool faces and features. So that's it. The brand new March 2020 TAG Heuer connected watch version 3, just out in the last couple of days, and I cannot wait to get this plugged in and start test driving this baby. Thank you so much for watching. Thumb me up if you, well, don't do that literally, but thumbs up this video if this was of any interest or benefit to you. All right, thank you so much.